Chapter 16. Water, a precious resource. Availability of water in nature. When we look at the picture of the Earth taken from space, it appears blue. Do you know why? About 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. It is the most abundant substance on the Earth. Therefore, our Earth is also called a watery planet. Almost 97.5% of the water available on the Earth's surface is contained in the seas and oceans. This water is salty or saline and therefore unfit for human consumption. Of the remaining 2.5%, a major portion, 1.7%, is found in the frozen form as ice caps on the top of the mountains and in glaciers. Only 0.8% fresh water is available as river water, lake water and groundwater and is fit for use for human beings. Groundwater as an important source of water. The process of seeping of water into the ground is called infiltration. This reservoir of water collected above impervious rocks below the earth is called groundwater. The upper limit of groundwater is called water table. Power-operated tube well, water, deep well, manually operated hand pump, water table, non-porous rocks. Depletion of water table. The water which we draw or take out from under the ground for various purposes gets replenished naturally by the seepage of rainwater. Some of the factors which deplete the water table at a place and make it go down are increase in population, increase in industries, increase in agricultural activities, deforestation, decrease in the effective area for seepage of rainwater, scanty rainfall. Let us discuss the above factors in detail. Increase in population. Human population is increasing all the time. To meet the needs of an ever-increasing human population, more houses, offices, schools, increase in industries. The number of industries is increasing continuously. Water are used by all the industries. Most industries draw huge quantities of water from the ground, leading to the depletion of water table. Increase in agricultural activities. Due to increasing population, the demand for agricultural food crops has increased manifold. A majority of farmers depend on rainwater to grow crops, but due to unpredictable rainfall, they depend on irrigation methods. Deforestation. Cutting down a large number of trees at a place is called deforestation. This leads to failure of soil to hold moisture. The water just runs off on the ground surface. Cherrapunji, Meghalaya. Decrease in the effective area for seepage of water. We just discussed that increasing population creates more demand for construction of houses, shops, offices, roads, etc. This decreases the open areas like parks, playgrounds, open spaces, etc. Scanty rainfall. Some regions have excessive rains, while some others have very little rainfall. Excessive rains cause floods, whereas the absence of rains results in droughts. Some regions, like that of Rajasthan, northern Karnataka, Kutch, in Gujarat, Orissa, are prone to drought. Water management. Rainwater harvesting. The process of collecting rainwater from roofs and street corners and storing it for later use is called rainwater harvesting. Rooftop water harvesting. concrete roof, clouds, rain, rainwater, rainwater pipe, concrete slab cover, ground level, underground concrete storage tank, percolation pit, coarse sand, gravel, broken bricks, outlet pipe, groundwater, pit. Prevention of wastage of water. The wastage of water in households, commercial buildings, schools and public places can be prevented by closing taps when not in use, repairing any leakage from pipes, etc. Reuse of water. The treated wastewater can be used for watering lawns and gardens, washing vehicles and floors of the building, and for construction purposes. It helps in saving fresh water. Revival of Boweries. We have at many places in India an age-old practice of water storage and water recharge system like the Boweries. Bowery is a step well in which the rainwater is collected and stored. Also, as to provide a water supply to the people during drought periods. Steps. Water storage. Drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a technique of watering plants by making use of a system of narrow pipes or tubes with small holes which deliver the water drop by drop directly around the roots. A field irrigated by drip irrigation. Narrow pipes. Water is supplied drop by drop to each point. Construction of dams. Rainwater or river water can be prevented from flowing away by constructing dams. The dams prevent floods, provide water for irrigation, industries, solve drinking water problem, especially during summer season, generate electricity, etc. How can we conserve water? We can save water at home by minimizing its wastage in the following ways. We should avoid brushing teeth, washing hands or cleaning utensils with running water tap. During water shortage, we should use a bucket and a mug instead of using a shower for a bath. We should get leaking pipelines and leaking water taps repaired. Effects of water scarcity on plants. No food. Without water, the plants cannot carry out the process of photosynthesis. They cannot make food for themselves. Animals directly or indirectly depend on plants for food. Without plants, animals will also have no food available. No oxygen. Without water, the green plants cannot carry out the process of photosynthesis. We know oxygen gas is released in the process of photosynthesis. Without photosynthesis, no oxygen will be released by green plants, and hence, no oxygen will be available to animals for breathing. Less rainfall. Trees and green plants release a lot of water vapor into the atmosphere through transpiration. This water vapor helps in the formation of clouds in the water cycle. Trees in the forest help in bringing rain. The deforested area recovers less rainfall.